तेज आसतु सीधा सड़क जा केसीआर और नवीन सांबादिक सम्मेलन देखा
victory in the assembly elections in Telangana, also on his agricultural policy, which we too have brought out an agricultural policy which has some of the progressive points of the Telangana policy. We discussed the Polavaram issue and how to carry that forward. This is among the major subjects that Mr. Rao and I discussed. And also the 33% women's reservation in the Lok Sabha and the state assembly.
Sir, can we just say that it is just a step forward for the non-BJP and non-Congress alliance in the country?
We had a general discussion on matters of national interest. We will take the talks forward.
Naveen KCR meet will go forward for the national politics in the 2019 election, sir.
We mean each federal front happening?
I beg your pardon?
Federal front.
What we discussed?
This is step for the federal fund.
No, it is not a general
No,
step.
sir, Mr. Rao has been pushing hard for an alternative front. You say
So we've
federal
discussed.
front or we taking with the regional party. So you are one of.
We are indeed a regional
Something
party.
we discussed or not?
We have discussed several things, including a further friendship amongst like-minded parties.
So will Naveen KCR meet today will go forward for the 2019 election in the national politics, sir?
In the parliament elections, we have not thought that far. Let's see.
Sir, who is the bigger rival among BJP and Congress?
For the regional parties.
That is Mr. Rao's business, not mine to say.
So
Like Congress accusing
I think you
that
put-
BJD and TRS is B team of NDA.
Listen, I am not here to speculate about all that. You've asked enough questions. Would people like to ask something from here? Mr. Rao, why don't you ask?
yeah, Mr. Rao. Okay, sir, my question for you. Mamta Didi has made it very clear that she is going to be part of Grand Alliance. Although she has some reservation on PM candidate, she said that it will be chosen after election. So,
See,
yet you are
let me make things very clear to you.
Yeah.
There is no hanky-panky in this. It is certain that country needs a change, a qualitative change, for which the dialogue has begun. We are doing our efforts. Nothing has come out concrete now. I think shortly something will emerge.
Any dialogue with BJD?
Definitely, why not?
He's been speaking.
Naveen Dada, we are right in front of you.
Exactly.
Both of us are right in front of you.
So,
So, see, let me complete. Let us not be hasty. We have just begun the dialogue. We will shortly meet again and how to take things forward. It is the first time today. Definitely we need to talk to some more people in the country, across the nation. We have just started. You will see the developments in the future.
so can
And
we
let
say,
us not be so anxious right now.
So can we say that regional parties are being united for the
See,
2019?
I can say certainly one thing, that there is a dire need for the unification of the regional parties in the country.
Sir, can you
Yes,
respect
maybe
some good
we
news
strongly
to
believe
like that?
there has to be an alternative to Congress and BJP.
So how do you react?
Can we say that regional parties are being united for the
See,
2019?
I can say certainly one thing, that there is a dire need for the unification of the regional parties in the country.
Sir, can you
Yes,
respect some
maybe
good
we
news
strongly
to
believe
like that?
there has to be an alternative to Congress and BJP.
So how do you react on Honorable Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik's new initiative
I-
just before yesterday on
I really heartfully congratulate Naveen ji for his very good initiative regarding the farmers, and he's a very senior chief minister in the country. He has been doing lot of good things for the state of Odisha. I have no iota of doubt about it. He is a good model, role model. He is known to be a selfless political leader in the country, a tall personality. We remember Bisuji when he was fighting against the emergency and all that. And he is a proud son of the Bisuji. We are really proud of him. He is a very senior political leader. I really congratulate him on the recent policy of farmers which is brought out by Naveen ji. And he has also proposed, I received a letter in Hyderabad, proposing 33% reservation for women in the legislature at the state level and national level, both the legislatures. I congratulate him. We fully support the cause of women which he has taken up. He is a tall personality, and we hope something to emerge very recently. We will come out with full details very shortly. Thank you.
Can you tell something in Telugu, sir? For our Telugu viewers, can you tell something in Telugu, sir?
Yeah, certainly. I can say a sentence. What is there? ఈరోజు భువనేశ్వర్లో చాలా సీనియర్ నాయకులు, చాలా టాల్ పర్సనాలిటీ శ్రీ నవీన్ పట్నాయక్ గారితో కలవడం జరిగింది. వారు చాలా పాజిటివ్గా చెప్పారు. దేశం గురించి ఏదో చేయాల్సిన అవసరం ఉందని చెప్పారు. రాజకీయాలలో గుణాత్మక మార్పు జరగాల్సిన అవసరం ఉందని చెప్పారు. మా చర్చలు ఈరోజే ప్రారంభమయ్యాయి. త్వరలో మళ్ళీ కలుద్దామని నిర్ణయం చేశాం. డెఫినెట్గా పాజిటివ్ డైరెక్షన్లో మా కలయిక ముందుకు పోతుంది. ఈ దేశానికి కొంత లాభం చేస్తుంది. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
One minute. Mr. Rao has come to Odisha and to the Jagannath Mandir in Puri to offer his thanks to Lord Jagannath for his tremendous victory.
Sir, will we expect a future meet soon?
Yes, why not?
That will be there.
Congress is releasing that both of you just doing as a B team of the BJP.
Of the BJP.
Now see, these days, let me tell you, it has become a big joke in the country.
Exactly.
Narendra Modi goes to Hyderabad and says, I am the B team of Congress. Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi, they go to Hyderabad and they tell me that I am the B team of BJP. We are no team, bhai. Very sorry. We are our own team. You will see it very shortly.
We are our state's teams, all right?
Exactly.
गाड़ी लगाओ गाड़ी